everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible. Great car, guys. I bought this car from a gentleman here locally. He's owned the car, I think he said, for 5-6 years. He bought the car done, so the paint, stuff like that was already done. Now, within the last 5 years, he's gone through the drivetrain. Matter of fact, I know the gentleman who actually redid the engine for him. But great car. It is a PHS documented car. It does have the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine in it. This is not the original color. This is actually Tahoe turquoise, which I absolutely love this color. Very fond of this color. I think originally it was I think it's called Night Mist Green, which is a kind of a turquoise looking color. But it does have the original Parchment interior still in it. Factory air convertible, which you don't see too much. Again, very nice car. Other than a couple little stone pecks and little things like that, it's not a car that you're going to pick apart. Very nice car. I mean, I can see, like I say, a couple little stone pecks as you walk around, but beautiful, beautiful car. Car was originally out of California. There's a bunch of paperwork that goes with it. Again, it is a matching numbers 400 car. I think that this is actually the original interior still in it. And when you kind of look at it, see how it's kind of flattened down? I'm actually going to have Don from DNA Interiors come over here and reef pad and reef foam this interior, and I think it'll look better. I think just over the years the padding's wore out. Power top, he put a new convertible top on it. From the factory, it had a white top. He changed it to black. Rear deck spoiler. Ooh, it's cold. The wind is a whipping. Clean underneath. Just a good car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. It's got the correct Rally 2 wheels on it. Micheline rubber all the way around it. He really didn't want to sell this car. He's retiring. He said him and his wife are moving across the state, so he just decided it was time for them to move on. It's got the correct PMD caps and lugs. Front disc brakes. That is a nice car. The receipts are in there. He just had the engine gone through, I think in 21. He said there's probably a couple thousand miles on it since he got it done. You can hear the door buzzer works. Holley 4-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, factory air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and again, it is a factory air convertible, which you don't see too much. 400 turbohydramatic trans. And he said anything the car needed, he had done. I mean, he loved the car. And he's one of those guys that just really maintained his car. Got the 400 hood. Again, you hear the door buzzer, it works. Chrome mirrors. Door handles are nice. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory deluxe interior, power windows, they work. I've got new mats for it on the way. I think this is the original carpet. You can see a little bit of fade to it, but it's really in good shape. Power top works great. And again, there's a little wear on this driver's seat. But I'm gonna have Don come over and redo the foam, and I think it'll be great. Tilt column, factory steering wheel, 80,000 original miles. It's got the factory speed sensor option too. You can see how nice the gauges are. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio, it works. Factory wood grain console. Dual exhaust. It's got the factory rear axle, and I think it is a traction lock rear end. There's a car cover in here. The boot goes with it. And again, here's all the records, everything. PHS documentation. There's a build sheet for the car. All the maintenance records. Like I say, the receipts, the California original registration's in there. Very well maintained car. Very clean underneath. Well, it's down in North Carolina. It was 75 degrees this weekend. I think I said, but new floor mats are on the way. I've got those on order. Touch-up mark there. Very, very nice car. Again, the air's all fresh. It blows nice and cold. Love the color. I am a huge fan. This is actually a Pontiac color. It just wasn't original for the car. Dash is, like I say, really nice. It power windows, got the factory soft ray glass in it. That's just a great car. Somebody's gonna have a blast with this thing. And you just radio works, blower motor works. Again, power top works real nice. New top, just had that replaced. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys!